Today we're going to be talking about the dust moss wall, which may or may not work. There is some bits of potential, as you can see. There is a bit of green there, and there's some other bits of green, but it isn't doing fantastic. So let's talk about this. Okay, so this is the stuff that I was talking about. It's a moss mix of stuff and bits. I didn't really read what it was. I just saw some stuff online where you soak this for a bit and then you just splatter it all over. You can't just do glass or anything like that. It has to be a surface where the moss can actually attach itself. So yeah, I used that for the wall. But I'm quite worried that the wall won't take, because I don't want to get it too wet and soak the place out. So I've got a backup one here of the spare dusk moss mix that I made, because I made too much because I'm stupid like that. So I've got one in a tank here. Let's see if we can actually see some stuff in here. There are some little shoots growing, and there's a little bit of I don't know whether the moss is growing or not, but I know that the seeds are. There's seeds of some sort in here, like fern seeds and stuff in this mix. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, I have a couple of little sprouts. You can't see the other ones because oh yeah, there's one there. And there's probably sphagnum moss. So I think that this is going to work a lot better than the wall I've made, because yeah, because I'm pretty useless. So when this all establishes, what I'll do is I'll just dump it, splat it onto the wall I've got in Isopod House, and then voila, it's a moss wall.
Much later.
Holy shit!
As you can see, it's sort of coming along, but I'm going away soon, so it may all die because it won't get watered.